Hi and good morning from Bir. Today we will set out to go and we'll explore the city a little bit. We'll go to a few cafes or we'll share the entire experience with you here. So don't go anywhere. Hello, and welcome to another episode from the gullies of Bir. So, we are here on a journey to explore various accommodation types in Bir, along with the things that you must do when you are in Bir. So, go and watch the previous episode if not already, and then come back. I will link it for you right here. For now, let's start this episode with one of the best places to stay in Bir. Hi guys, and welcome to the second property in Bir called Bir High. This is a 4-star property rated as one of the diamond properties with a jaw-dropping views of the dhauladhar range and the landing site. Which is, by the way, an ideal for those perfect romantic sunset dates. I will show you how later in the video. And what better way to enjoy all this but with a cozy, warm Grecian style bedroom, each named after a famous author. Lip-smacking food from their cafe will make you come back for more. Where else will you get a live paragliding landing view during your breakfast? You guessed it, from Bir High Cafe. It is in the heart of Bir, so you will definitely not have any issues finding it. You will be greeted by the beautiful host Priyanka at the gate with a big smile, who is one of the most gracious hostess I have ever met. She is one woman army and will not leave any stone unturned in making you part of the Bir High family, even if that means sharing their perfect white bedding for a romantic sunset capture. And yes, that happened. And honestly, things like that will stay in your heart and make this your home whenever you are in Bir. Surrounded by all famous cafes, which I will take you while we are exploring Bir, you cannot get a better stay option than this. Thank you, Priyanka and Bir High, for such an amazing experience. So be sure to look them up whenever you are in Bir. I will put their details in the description box below. I know most of you would come to Bir just for the thrill of the paragliding experience, and rightly so. This is Asia's highest paragliding site, making it the world's second highest paragliding site with a total height of 2,430 meters above sea level. Now, the entire gliding session will give you about 15-20 minutes where you will get a chance to get a panoramic view of the dhauladhar range from the top. Now, how exciting is that? So you don't really have to pre-book any of the paragliding sessions because most of the local agencies आपको मिल जाएंगी जहाँ से आप खुद choose करके you can pick your right instructor and guide. They're all certified, so you don't have to worry about that. आप जिस homestay या hotel में रह रहे हैं, they also tend to hook you up with the best instructors. The cost will be per person from rupees 3,000 to 3,500, which will include your to and fro transport, your GoPro videos, and photographs. So you will ask me, why paragliding in Bir and not other places like Manali, Sethin? Well, आप वहाँ से भी कर सकते हैं, but the advantages to do paragliding in Bir, that I will share now. So Bir does not only have the most beautiful takeoff sites all over the world, but also has a stable weather condition which is ideal for the sport. Why? The reason it was chosen for the first ever paragliding World Cup site of our country. Yes, you heard it right. And I bet now this puts this site on top of your list. So time for some free tips. Do not wear any loose jewelry or loose shoes while you are going for the paragliding site. Do not carry any baggage with you, even though some of the times the operators will offer to take care of your belongings, but it's always better not to carry them at the location. Make sure you're keeping your phone safe in your pockets, which is closed with a zipper. Please do not eat anything before the flight, at least 40 minutes before the flight. Avoid eating anything heavy. So keep that in mind, and you have a safe flight. It is almost impossible to watch a sunset and not dream. So rightly said by Bern Williams. आप सोचेंगे थोड़ा फिल्मी क्लीशे है, but for all those romantics out there who thought this is yet another adventure destination, think again. The sunsets in Bir will definitely bring out the poet in you. It is the golden hour that we spent watching and doing nothing at all. Watching the sky speak in 1,000 colors right in front of us. What more would you want from that evening? Something that you cannot miss when you are in Bir. अब हो गई है शाम और हमने अभी बहुत ही खूबसूरत सनसेट एंजॉय किया है जो वहाँ हुआ है, और अब हम सिर्फ बैठकर शांति एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, ऑब्वियसली विद अ लिटिल म्यूजिक. एंड दैट वाज सच अ परफेक्ट एंड फॉर सच अ थ्रिलिंग डे वी हैड. आई होप आप भी मेरे साथ इस जगह को वैसे ही एक्सपीरियंस कर पा रहे हो जैसे मैंने करा. I will be back next week with another episode exploring the beautiful cafes of Bir and the life of it, plus an adventure which is just waiting to happen. So, kahin mat jayega, like and subscribe this channel. Make sure you share it with all your friends and family. Support your girl Neha, aka girl in the midst. In the meantime, I will see you. You keep traveling. Ciao.